I also want to recognize our grammarian today. So Art's here to help us increase our vocabulary, and we're not calling upon Art to give us the word of the day and also talk about his role as grammarian.
Thank you, Mr. Toastmaster. Well, my job today is going to be the grammarian. One of my part of the job is to have a word of the day. Today's word of the day is armamentarium. I'm going to give you the definition. Well, first the pronunciation. If I'm pronouncing it right, it's armamentarium. Sounds a little bit funny. One example of this is, the definition is the aggregate of equipment, methods, and techniques available to one carrying out one duties. One example of this word in a sentence is, you can almost hear the crash as my medical armamentarium smashes to the ground. Another one is, I carry an armamentarium of tools to fix PCs. Usually, that's another example of this word. Another part of my job today is going to be to count, including for myself, some of the most common words that we use, like hums, has, you know, so, and redundancies. At the end of the meeting, I'm going to give a summary of counts for each one of the persons, how many of those words we use. And as some people say, if we could charge a quarter for every time we use one of those words, we will actually have a lot of money for the job. However, we're not charging any money for this type of issues. So that's my job, and I'm going to control to Mr. Toastmaster Chanel.